welcome back to reaction video. I haven't done one of these for ages, for 4 months I think, maybe longer. But anyway, yeah, we'll be reacting to the 2001 Atlantic Hurricane Season Animation version 3 by Force 13. This is more. This is going to be more. This is where I'm going to start uploading again, guys. So anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and let's get into the reaction. The 3001 Atlantic Hurricane Season animation by Force 13. Let's play.
It's the 5th day of the Atlantic hurricane season, and the first named storm is moving towards Galveston.
What's been a factor is the rain comes down in the same area. It's gotten saturated. We've been seeing trees fall over. We've been seeing our ground tunnels.
By the way, Tropical Storm Allison did get retired because it caused, I think, about $5 billion of damage, which is pretty insane for a tropical storm of that size, and it's stalled over Texas for like days and days and stuff.
Ground cables, our ground electricity network flooded out. If you're trying to do some traveling, this is what it looked like earlier today in the Houston area.
This one is Tropical Storm Barry. Oh. August. It's a very quiet August. Nothing really active. Chantal become the first hurricane of the season, and no, it doesn't. Dean, that weakens due to that's probably the weekends due to very dry air or high wind shear or something. That probably weekends too. I think Erin got to Cat 3 Hurricane status, I think. If I'm not mistaken. I don't know. I think it did. Oh, I think it got to Cat 3 or 4. You have Hurricane Humberto, trolling out in the Atlantic, not really doing anything. I like the new format and what Force 13 did, guys. This is a great format of what they did. Tropical Depression Element. Now this one's powerful. Cat 4 hit Central Alcohol.
In my opinion, it would be too risky to go out there and try to do anything at this stage now. People need to just batter down now and wait it out at this stage. We'll be risking lives. Either by getting them out now, they'll be left in the open, and this thing could fall on them.
$250 million, guys. That's a lot of money. $9.53 billion so far. It's not quite of the costliest season, but it's pretty active so far. The ace though is pretty low. You got Lorenzo, and you have Michelle, which is a couple.
The top winds 135 miles an hour.
Michelle becomes a cat 4.
We're looking here at a major hurricane. The top winds 135 miles an hour, moving toward the northeast.
No tengo ni donde vivir, no tengo ni donde meterme. Y yo creo que ojalá que nos ayude, porque la verdad que tenemos mucha necesidad y no tenemos nada.
Ooh, that's a bad landfall. Ooh, cat 4 landfall on Cuba. That is bad. That's a bad landfall. Oh, Tropical Storm Olga. See how the ace is up now, guys. Tropical Storm Olga. Tropical Storm Allison stalled over southeastern Texas, causing one of the worst flooding disasters in the state's history. Hurricane Hurricane Michelle was the strongest hurricane to hit Cuba in nearly 50 years, with being the costliest hurricane in Cuba history at the time. That is just record breaking. That was at the time though, 2001. So Allison 60 miles an hour, Barry 70, Chantal 70, Dean 70, Erin 125, Felix 120, Pressure 959, 964. Gabrielle 80 miles an hour, Humberto 105, Iris 140 miles an hour, pressure of 948 millibars, Jerry 50 miles an hour, pressure of 1004 millibars, Karen 80 miles an hour, pressure of 982 millibars, Lorenzo 40 miles an hour, pressure of 1007 millibars. Michelle, 140 miles an hour, pressure of 933 millibars. Noel, 75 miles an hour, pressure of 986 millibars. And Olga, 90 miles an hour for a December storm, by the way, which is crazy. 973 millibars. Strongest landfall was Iris. Wow, I mean, deadliest storm is 48. That's $9 billion for a tropical storm. That's 17 tropical depressions, 15 tropical storms above average, total 9 hurricanes above average, total major hurricanes 4 above average, total deaths 129, monetary losses 9.94 billion US dollars. For the time though, at the time though, that was a lot of money. Back in 2001. Season records. The fourth consecutive above average season record. Fastest tropical storm on record, Allison. First tropical storm to be retired, Allison. 6 hours precipitation record set in St. John's, Canada after Gabrielle. Strongest Belize landfall in 40 years, Iris. Strongest Cuba landfall in 50 years, Michelle. Anyway, guys, that's all we have time for today. There'll be another video out later on today, actually. On actually the 2024 Atlantic Hurricane season animation. So, stay tuned for that. I'm gonna have the reaction for it. So, yeah, anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and see you all in the next video. Peace and have a great day.